On GXOR, there was a guy that posted that he had an issue with his switch plate and that it broke when he dropped it. So I've got one here. It's a defect right there. You can see that. So I'm never going to sell this one. So it's going to donate its body to science. So we're going to do a little drop test and see what happens. Floor here is concrete, nothing special. I'm going to drop it from about 4 feet in the air on the corner. We got a little bit of a ding there, but no delamination or breaking. I'm going to try it again. Once again, all the corners are intact. I can throw it hard down on the ground. Once again, none of the corners broke. So my guess is that it may have been a printing defect. So things like that can happen. If they do, please let me know and I'll take care of it. I'll send you a new one. But just to show you, these things do not shatter like glass when they are thrown on the floor. There is no, it's still intact. There's no damage to it from being thrown on the ground. So anyway, I think hopefully that ends that debate. All the corners still intact. You can see a little bit of damage there to the corner, and some of the corner delaminating a little bit between the layers, but the actual corner itself is still intact. And those were some pretty hard throws down on the ground. So anyway, if you guys have any questions and concerns, please let me know. If you do have a one where something actually breaks off, please let me know. We'll take care of it. Thanks. Bye.